unboxing a Disney Ooshie with Isabel. What do you have there today, Isabel?
Mickey Mouse.
Mickey Mouse, is it? And are you going to open it?
Yeah.
Let's see how it opens. Is this exciting?
Yeah.
Might need some scissors.
Okay.
So always be careful with scissors and get an adult to help you.
Here you go.
Wow.
What's inside?
Mickey Mouse.
Mickey Mouse is still not coming out.
Here we go.
Oh. So what do we have there? Is there a big Mickey Mouse and a little Mickey Mouse?
Yeah.
Yes.
There you go.
Wow, Mickey Mouse.
Is that the big Mickey Mouse or the little Mickey Mouse?
Big Mouse.
Big Mickey Mouse. And where's the little Mickey Mouse?
Yeah.
Can you open that one? Okay, so where's the little Mickey Mouse?
Yeah.
Wow. Do you like your Mickey Ooshie toy?